Acha, in problem number 3, basically you see there will be two figure, same shape and size. Okay, and you have to show the different dimensioning system. So how to draw basically? So for this, what we'll do? You first draw a rectangle of, so this is total 60 millimeter. This is 60 millimeter height, means vertical line 60, and this is 50 millimeter. Okay, according to your figure. Here also 60. Here also 50. Okay. So by first, what? How can you draw? First, draw this horizontal line. This horizontal line first draw. Then by protector, draw a 90-degree, and you measure this line 50 millimeter. Here also measure 60 millimeter. Again by compass, uh, from this point by 60 millimeter, you draw a arc. Here also by compass, the point of the compass here, and draw the arc here. So we can draw this rectangle first. Very lightly draw. Okay. Then in this line, in this two vertical line, uh, measure 30 millimeter from this point. From this point, measure 30 millimeter. And here also, measure 30 millimeter. Okay, and draw the center line. This is the chain thin line. Okay. Now you see from the top side, from the top and the bottom, there will be 16 millimeter. So here you take 16 millimeter. The point 16 millimeter. Here also take 16 millimeter. Okay. Then in this point, draw a line 10 millimeter. Draw a horizontal line, means parallel to this line. Parallel to this line or 90-degree of this. Draw a line 10 millimeter. Just 10 millimeter. Similarly, here also draw a line 10 millimeter. Okay. Then draw a vertical line, both side 10 millimeter. Okay. So, so then figure will be this one. This is the 50, then 16 millimeter, then 10 millimeter, then 28 millimeter, then again 16 millimeter, then again 16 millimeter, then again 50 millimeter, then again 60 millimeter. Now you have to draw the circle. Okay. So circle center position will be 30 millimeter. Already we draw the center line at 30 millimeter, and from the horizontal distance this is 20 millimeter. So suppose this is the center line, center point. So here we draw another center line. Now here the phi, the diameter of the circle is given 16. Phi means here diameter. So here using the radius 8 millimeter, draw a circle. Okay. So this is the figure. Now certain distance, because again we extend the dimension line. sorry, center line. Okay, and here also draw a center line, vertical center line. Now, here you see the diameter of the arc is 80 millimeter. So, in this side draw a arc like this, in this side draw a arc. Okay. And now we draw this arc by take 40 millimeter radius. Now give the dimension. So two figure simultaneously. Okay. So if we draw the dimension, so this will be, you see, basically when you give the dimension, you see for align system, this is written like this. Okay. In this, and here you have to draw the arrowhead. And when you lower side dimension, suppose this is 50. Draw the first extension line, then draw the dimension line, then write here 50. Okay. And here I also draw the arrowhead. And when you draw the arrowhead, always 3:1 ratio must be maintained. Okay. So this is about the drawing, how to draw. First you draw the rectangle 50 cross 60 very rightly. Then this portion take 10 millimeter inside. Here first from the upper and lower portion both the measurement 16 millimeter. So this is 16, not this way basically. This is the 16 and this is also 16, measure this point. Then we have 10 millimeter inside, here also 10 millimeter inside, and this distance will be 20 millimeter. Clear? After that, gap some gap because you have to give the dimensions, retain the dimensions here. So you have to require some gap. Then draw the arc with 80 millimeter diameter. So both sides, first draw the center line. Then on the left, lower side will be left of the center line, vertical center line, and our upper side will be the right of the vertical, and give the dimension. So this is basically, you see the align system, relation system. You see in the figure, the in align system, when you give the dimension for this upper lower side, this side, and this side, you see your eye will be here. You see below from the drawing. Okay. So and give the dimension above the dimension line. If you give the dimension left side or right side, then your position will be here because you see the right side. So for this reason, your 30 will be written in this way. If you see the 16, 28, 60 all are written in this way. Okay. And for unidirectional system, always you see from the bottom of the picture. Okay. And here the dimension will be at the middle of the dimension line. You see, and left side, right side, all are in the same direction. And the right written will be at the inside of the dimensioning system.